Hey, good morning, 7th grade. Miss Rogers here with the actual scientific answers to yesterday's disaster movie. Hopefully, it gave you a laugh and you enjoyed it and saw little pockets of both true and false things in this Hollywood film. I won't make you rewatch the clips, but it's available on your assignment if you'd like to. Can volcanoes suddenly become active? This was the scene where they were in the town hall meeting and the water started shaking and basketball rim started shaking and people flipped out. The answer is yeah. Mount St. Helens being a classic case where within a week of earthquake activity it erupted. Another in the Alaskan area, that Ring of Fire was preceded by only 24 hours of activities. But again, it's nature, it's unpredictable, so some volcanoes have been barking for up to 2 years before an eruption occurs. And sometimes they don't erupt at all. So the answer is yeah, kinda. Is this eruption realistic? This was the one where it featured the pyroclastic cloud, the big gray fire cloud type thing that basically took out the whole town. And again, the answer of this one is kind of. It gets the enormous power part right. Lava flows are usually thick and slow, unlike the lava flows in the movie that was like chasing people down. But, I mean, it was okay. You're not gonna see, most volcanic eruptions are not gonna have that punch of power, nor are you gonna live in a town that close to a volcano. But, not too bad. Can we drive across lava flows? I love this one because it is the stupidest of all. And I'm pretty sure every single one of you is like, this is the dumbest idea I've ever seen. And you're correct. Even one that has a thin crust on top, you're going to fall through due to the weight. Lava's 1700 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. So we're well, if boiling is 212, we're way beyond there. Your fresh lava would melt the tires, blow up the gas tanks, and how you gonna get out? So, yeah, good theater, but scientifically completely bogus. Earthquakes. Can volcanoes spawn off earthquakes that are equally as large? This was the scene where they had the rushing river and the bridge with the National Guard and the van of scientists trying to make it across. Took out the whole bridge with the guy on it. And the answer again, it's in that kind of range. Not usually. Earthquakes rarely exceed a 5. That Richter scale is 0 to 10. And the one they showed would have been too large to go with the earthquake that it showed on the movie. You break things, damage buildings, but not enough to knock them down. You can see there's a little more information here on higher level earthquakes that have come along with volcanoes. But again, it was, yes, the two do go hand in hand, but the power is often not quite that large. Oh, this scene is hilariously bad, and if you go and watch the movie, you'll see how it ends. Rest in peace, Grandma. But it is an interesting thought, like what's coming out of this volcano, what's going to cause it to happen. And the answer is actually yes. So much is coming out of that pyroclastic cloud, of that lava flow that is acidic, that pH values as low as 0.1 can occur. Now our pH scale is 0 to 14, 7 being neutral, which is like the water we drink. So if we go from a 7 to a 0.5, we got a big issue. So that's gonna do a lot, burn human skin, but probably wouldn't drop the bottom out of a metal boat that quickly. So it would be unhealthy for you to breathe, unhealthy for you to drink, touch, etc. But your boat will be able to make it across. It's not a strong enough acid to eat a metal boat, even though that was kind of hilarious in a way. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for your work yesterday. Tomorrow we're going to look at a bevy of movies, including earthquakes, tsunamis, etc. You guys wrote some pretty funny movies for us yesterday. A lot of Kevin Hart, a lot of Dwayne The Rock Johnson, and a few visits from classmates in some of your movies, which frankly I'd watch all of them. So hope you're having a great day. Hope you're healthy, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.